Hello there and welcome to the course of Ultimate Web3 Developer Bootcamp, which include blockchain, Solidity and Ethereum. Hello, I am Manthan Patel, your course instructor. If you are Web3 learner looking to take your skill to the next level, you are in the right place. In the next few minutes, I am going to give you a glimpse of what you will gain from my Web3 course. By the end of this course, you won't just know Web3. You will be an advanced Web3 developer. You will have that skill to create real-world applications that leverage the power of blockchain and smart contract. You will be building scalable decentralized apps, working with cutting-edge technology and unlocking new career opportunities. Here's a quick rundown of what you will learn. Creating complex smart contracts, building decentralized application, optimizing gas costs from efficiency, navigating the latest Web3 trends. I just won't teach you bookish knowledge. I will show you how you can implement them in your real project and real life. Who's the ideal learner from this course? It's from Web3 developer, learner and blockchain aspirant who are eager to become an advanced Web3 developer without going through endless trial and error. I have designed this course to guide you step by step so you can confidently navigate the Web3 ecosystem and excel in this blockchain space. So, are you ready to take your Web3 journey to the next level? Enroll in the course now and let's deep dive into the world of advanced Web3 development together.